Imagine waking up and finding out your health insurance claim was denied, not by a doctor or an agent, but by an algorithm that doesn't even know your name. Sounds unreal? It's already happening. AI is quietly changing how health insurance works. It looks at your medical history, lifestyle, and spending habits to make decisions. While this means faster claims and maybe lower costs, it also raises concerns like privacy risks, biased data, and choices you can't easily question. In this video, we'll explain how AI is reshaping health insurance, what it means for you, and the smart steps you should take now to protect yourself. What does AI in health insurance really mean? So, what do we actually mean when we say AI in health insurance? It's more than just robots answering your calls. AI systems are now involved in underwriting policies, predicting future health risks, and even approving or denying claims, all automatically. These systems feed on huge amounts of data: your age, your past medical procedures, prescriptions, and sometimes even fitness tracker data or shopping habits. The goal is to create a risk score that helps the insurer decide how much to charge you or whether to approve your next treatment. It sounds efficient, and in many ways, it is. But think about it, when a machine learns from historical data, it can also repeat human biases, magnify errors, and make choices without any human common sense to check them. Why health insurance companies are hooked on AI? The reason so many insurers are turning to AI is simple: money. Healthcare costs are unpredictable, and companies lose millions when people file unexpected claims. AI promises to spot risks sooner, detect fraud faster, and automate thousands of work hours. Big companies like UnitedHealth, Anthem, and Aetna have all invested heavily in AI tools that scan millions of medical records, detect anomalies, and optimize policy pricing in real time. These tools can even forecast how likely you are to develop a chronic disease within a few years. The flip side? Your premiums could rise or your claims get flagged based on data you didn't even know was being analyzed. How AI predicts your health risks. So, how does AI actually predict whether you'll get sick or stay healthy? It starts by analyzing huge data sets, everything from your lab results to prescription history, and in some cases, wearable fitness tracker data. Some companies even experiment with non-traditional data. For example, do you shop for sugary snacks every week? Do your social media posts show high stress levels? While this sounds like sci-fi, researchers say these indirect clues can help an AI guess your long-term health behavior. The result is a personal risk score, and that score can affect your premiums, your coverage limits, and even whether your next claim is approved. The promise: faster claims and personalized care. It's not all bad news. Used well, AI can make health insurance much more efficient and fair. Imagine filing a claim and having it approved instantly because AI verified your documents in seconds. No more endless phone calls or paperwork. AI can also help insurers create more personalized policies. If you're super healthy and take care of yourself, you might get lower rates than someone with risky habits. Some companies even reward healthy behavior with perks, gift cards, or premium discounts. In the future, AI might even help you avoid major illnesses altogether. Predictive models can flag early signs of disease so you can get preventive care before things get worse. The risk, bias, errors, and black box decisions, but here's where things get complicated. AI systems are only as fair as the data they learn from. If the historical data has biases, like certain groups getting worse care or paying higher costs, the AI can repeat and even amplify those biases. Experts worry this could lead to discrimination. For example, if people from a certain neighborhood have higher rates of hospital visits due to poor local healthcare access, AI could wrongly label everyone in that area as high risk. Another problem is the black box nature of AI. When your claim is denied, how do you appeal if you don't know how the algorithm made its decision? Even the companies that build these systems sometimes struggle to explain them clearly. How much data are you actually giving up? One big issue that doesn't get enough attention is how much personal data you're handing over. Some insurers now offer discounts if you wear a fitness tracker or sync your medical devices with their app. This sounds good until you realize that data can reveal deeply private things. For instance, changes in your heart rate, sleep patterns, or even your location habits can hint at stress, depression, or risky behaviors. And once your data is in the system, it's hard to know who else has access. Could your employer see it? What about data brokers? How long does the company keep it? These are questions every customer should be asking. Real-world examples. Big players leading the AI shift. Let's look at some real-life examples. UnitedHealth's Optum uses AI to predict hospital readmissions. Anthem's AI tool scans claims to flag potential fraud, but sometimes it flags genuine claims too. Startups like Oscar Health and Vitality go even further. They give customers smartwatches or fitness apps and reward healthy behavior. The more you walk, the more you save. Meanwhile, in Europe, companies like Babylon Health combine telemedicine and AI diagnostics to offer cheaper, faster consultations. But this has sparked debates about accuracy and safety when AI misdiagnoses a condition. Can regulators keep up? With so much at stake, regulators are scrambling to catch up. In the EU, the new AI Act aims to make high-risk AI systems more transparent and fairer. In the US, some states have begun investigating whether insurance AI tools violate anti-discrimination laws. Consumer protection groups are also pushing for a right to explanation, meaning you'd have the legal right to know exactly why an AI denied your claim or raised your rate. Still, progress is slow. Many of these AI systems evolve constantly, learning from new data every day. How you can protect yourself? So, what can you do? First, always read the fine print when you sign up for any AI-driven health plan. Ask what data they collect, how they use it, and who they share it with. Second, use wearables wisely. If your insurer offers a big discount for syncing your fitness tracker, make sure you're comfortable with what that data could reveal and how long it stays in the system. Finally, know your rights. If your claim is denied by an AI, demand a human review. Will AI replace human decisions entirely? Experts say we're still a long way from a world where AI does everything. Even the best algorithms can't understand context, human empathy, or unusual situations that need a personal touch. Many companies promise to keep humans in the loop, especially for complex cases. But cost pressures could push insurers to automate more and more over time, leaving customers with fewer real people to talk to. The key will be finding the balance, using AI to speed up what it does best, but never losing sight of the human care that makes healthcare trustworthy in the first place. Is AI worth the risk? So, is AI in health insurance the best thing since sliced bread, or an invisible risk waiting to explode? The truth is, it's both. The technology can save time, money, and even lives. But without clear rules and smart customers, it can also become a privacy and fairness nightmare. As more insurers adopt AI, we all need to stay informed, ask tough questions, and protect our data like it's the most valuable thing we own, because it is. And what do you think? Are you ready to trust an algorithm with your healthcare, or do you still want a human touch? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. The future of your health insurance depends on what you know, and now you know the truth.